Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate banana cake. This cake is very chocolatey, soft, and melts in your mouth. The banana and dulce de leche filling makes it incredibly rich and flavorful. You definitely have to try this recipe. This recipe is simple to make and perfect for the whole family. Let's get started. First, we prepare the cream filling. In a mixer bowl, combine cream cheese, mascarpone, powdered sugar, and cocoa powder. Our most important ingredient is cold, heavy cream. Add all the ingredients except the heavy cream first and mix on low speed just until everything is combined. You'll find the full ingredient list in the description box below. Then add the cold heavy cream. It should have at least 30% fat, so the cream becomes stable and smooth. Whip the cream just until everything is fully combined and the texture becomes thick and stable. Be careful not to over-whip the cream. Because of the mascarpone, the mixture can easily split if it's beaten too much. Once the cream looks smooth, thick, and stable, it's ready to use. While mixing, occasionally stop the mixer and scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula to make sure everything is evenly combined. As you can see, our chocolate cream is ready. It's soft, velvety, and perfect for filling the cake. Now we start assembling the cake. First, remove the thin top layer of the sponge. This helps prevent the layers from separating when slicing the cake. For soaking syrup, I use milk with sugar, but you can also use sweetened condensed milk. Brush the sponge lightly so the cake becomes soft and moist. Now we start assembling. Pipe the cream around the edges to create a border. Then fill the center with the chocolate cream and gently spread it with a spatula. Then add sliced ripe bananas evenly across the cake. After that, drizzle dulce de leche over the bananas. Now, add more chocolate cream on top and gently spread it with a spatula. Place the second chocolate sponge layer on top and press it lightly so the cake layers become even. Brush the sponge again with the milk syrup. Then spread the thin layer of cream over the top. This will be our final cream layer. Our cake is ready for chilling. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours so the cake stabilizes and absorbs all the flavors. I usually leave it in the fridge for about 5 to 6 hours for the best texture and taste. After chilling, dust the top lightly with cocoa powder. Then trim all 4 sides of the cake so the edges become clean and even. You can save the trimmed pieces and enjoy them with tea. Now we start cutting the cake. First, I mark lines on the surface. This makes it easier to cut even portions. This half-sheet cake can serve about 40 to 45 people, which makes it perfect for parties and events. Then we cut the cake into beautiful, even pieces. Before slicing the cake, I recommend dipping the knife in hot water or wiping it with a napkin after each cut. Using this method will help you get clean and beautiful slices every time. And now our cake is ready. Look at this slice. Soft chocolate sponge layers, chocolate cream, pieces of banana inside, and of course, dulce de leche filling. The texture is incredibly soft and delicate. It truly melts in your mouth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.